Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 5 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 7, Our Environment and Natural Calamities. Question number 1, video part. Dash is the colorless and odorless dash which is used in making light bulbs. In the light bulbs, the gases present which is non-reactive gas. Those are known as the noble gas also, because if normal air will be filled in the glass bulb, so what will happen? The tungsten, this filament, will oxidize, है ना, and it cannot give you the proper light. So that's why inert gas or inactive gas or noble gases are filled in this. And here argon is the inactive gas. The first answer will be option C. Question number 2. Which among the following is not a layer of atmosphere? So layer of atmospheres are your troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. But you can see there is not any lithosphere. Lithosphere is the topmost layer of the earth. You can see here. So answer should be, second answer will be your option B. Question number 3. In which layer of atmosphere most of the ozone layer is present, which protects us from harmful UV radiations of the sun? So you can see the ozone layer is present in the stratosphere. The stratosphere is from here to here. So stratosphere will be the answer. Third answer will be options. Question number 4. Which among the following is not a property of air? Air exerts pressure. So yes, air exerts pressure. You can see in atmospheric pressure. Air has weight. Yes, the inflated balloon is heavier than the empty balloon. Air is biotic component of the environment. No, air is the abiotic component. Biotic component means living thing. So fourth answer will be option C. Question number 5. Dash holds the layer of air around the earth. There is a atmosphere around the earth. Who is responsible for this atmosphere around the earth? So it's gravity. Due to the gravity, the air cannot escape away. Okay, option C. Fifth answer is option C. Question number 6. Which among the following is not a process of removing insoluble impurities from water? So filtration, sedimentation, evaporation, decantation, and none of these. So you can see the insoluble impurities settle down at the bottom of the container. This is known as sedimentation. And after sedimentation, we just empty the bottle slowly. We decant the bottle slowly in the another container. This is known as decantation. And then we just filter using filter paper. We filter the this clean liquid. Okay, this is known as filtration. And after that, we can do evaporation, which can purify the liquid completely. So we can say filtration, sedimentation, evaporation, and decantation. All are the process for removing the insoluble impurities. Answer will be your none of these. The sixth answer is option E. Question number 7. A process in which alum is added to muddy water to separate suspended dirt particles. Actually, when in the muddy water, when alum is added, so what happens? The muddy particles, the dirt particles become heavier, okay, and it is settled down at the bottom. This process is known as loading. So answer will be B. Seventh answer is the option B. Question number 8. Dash crystals are used to kill germs present in the water. So, potassium permanganate is used for water purification. Eighth answer will be your option B. Question number 9. Name the process in which clean water is poured into another container without disturbing the sediments. Without disturbing the sediments, it means decantation. So, ninth answer will be option B. Question number 10. Which among the following is incorrect for the nitrogen gas? Nitrogen constitutes about 78% of the air. Yes. Nitrogen is used in fertilizers. Yes. Nitrogen is used in burning process. No. Oxygen is used in burning process. Nitrogen is used by plants with the help of bacteria. Yes. This is the rhizobium bacteria found in leguminous plants, and it fixes the atmospheric nitrogen in their roots. Okay, so C answer will be the correct answer. Question number 11. Humidity means amount of gas in the air. The humidity means amount of water vapor present in the air. It is in the option C. 11th answer will be C. Question number 12. Which among the following involves chemical treatment of water purification? With chemical treatment, we just take the gas, chlorine gas, and we mix it with the injector in the water resource, and when it mixes with the water mixes with the chlorine gas, it is purified. Okay, so we are doing chlorination. This process is known as chlorination. 12 answer is D. Question number 13. Name the low-lying areas that is filled with solid waste materials. So this is the low-lying areas. We filled it with the solid waste material. This is known as sanitary landfill. The 13th answer will be option C. Question number 14. Which among the following is a greenhouse gas? So greenhouse gas, carbon dioxide is the greenhouse gas, methane is the greenhouse gas, nitrogen oxide is the greenhouse gas. So we can say all of the above is the greenhouse gas. The 14th answer will be option D. Question number 15. Bronchitis is caused by. So bronchitis means this is a respiratory disease. Respiratory disease. This is the lungs and this is the bronchus. And in this disease, you can see the tube, the diameter of the tube in the bronchitis, it becomes smaller, so that inhalation and exhalation becomes difficult in this disease. Okay, and it is created due to the air pollution. The 15th answer is option A. Question number 16. Gas is used in refrigerators, air conditioners, and in many other industrial processes. So this is where chlorofluorocarbon is used. So 16th answer is C. Okay. Question number 17. Soluble impurities can be removed by which of the following process? So soluble impurities means the impurities dissolved in the liquid. So it can be filtered by the evaporation, because when you do evaporation, then the liquid evaporates at different temperature and solid evaporates at different temperature. So liquid evaporates earlier generally, and later it can be cooled. That is your distillation. So A and B both will be the correct answer. That is your option D, and you can see it in the given figure. So 17th answer is the option D. Question number 18. Name the gas released by grass-eating animal as their waste product. As their waste product, methane, nitrous oxide, and carbon dioxide. Option is here methane. 18th answer will be option B. Question number 19. Which among the following is caused by polluted water? So cholera, typhoid, dysentery. This is the polluted water, and all the disease can be caused by the polluted water. So 19th answer will be option D. Question number 20. Which among the following is an effect of global warming? The melting of polar ice caps? Yes. Rise in water level of the ocean? Yes. Flooding of places near the sea? This is also correct. So all of the above. 20th answer will be option D. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.